Hi there, it's Shell, and welcome back to my December daily. So we are now on day 3. Here is day 1, and then here is day 2, and a little bit of journaling. So on day 3, I have something pretty special. So my niece took my little grandbaby, my honorary grandbaby, to see Santa Claus. So I'm going to go ahead and put him in here because I can't think of anything more perfect than a little picture of him. And he's 2 now. So let's see. Thought I might like to frame this little picture, and I just stuck this picture in my printer in my Photoshop and then just kind of made it the size that I wanted it to be. So if you have access to that, it's really nice. And if you're interested more about the printer that I use, then leave a comment below and I'll share that with you. So, oops. I tell ya, I should probably be using a dry glue for this. It kind of buckled last time, but that's okay. And this is just a copy of it. She shares with me on Facebook, and so I just thought it's easy enough to make a copy of the pictures that I like. I tell you, that glue is such a mess. I was rewatching some of my videos, and it's like I have glue on my hands all the time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Just using my scissors. I just want to kind of do a border all the way around. But I just loved this little picture of him. So, I'm going to do that. And you can't see him very well, so I'm not worried too much about covering his face or anything like that. He's got a lot of stuff going on there. I'm going to use just some glitter washi tape. And I'm just going to put washi tape on it. I really like the look of kind of sporadic washi tape, I guess you could call it. Just kind of here and there, you know, like it wasn't intentional. You just kind of wanted to hurry up and get it in the book and make it look cute, you know, without any rhyme or reason kind of thing. And I'm just putting a little glitter glue just to make sure that it stays where it needs to stay. And what I did is, you know, I put it in my Photoshop and I added Christmas 2018. And then I'm going to go ahead, I think this will work. Let me see. I'm going to put his name in with these little tiny letters. And he only has 4 letters in his name. So I think this will be perfect on top of that washi tape. So it's, you know, you can just use whatever you want to. You know I keep saying that. But you know, it's just fun to use up things that are already in your stash. Let's see. And his name, you know, the letters in his name are not ones that I use a lot. See if I can scooch that over just a little bit. So I have plenty of those. Hopefully that'll stick when they're done. Did I put, yeah, when it's dry. So, you know, again, this is something, you know, we didn't have a lot going on, but, you know, just kind of doing things, you know, about people, special people in your life. I was going to put his middle name, but I don't have the letters. I think I must be missing one. So I'll just put this, and maybe I'll put like AGE2. So I'll just put and I do that a lot with stickers, is, you know, if I can't spell something with the stickers I have, I just think of something else to spell or to put down. And you know, it's really creative because, you know, you might think, okay, I want to put love, but, you know, I don't have those letters. What can I put? You know, so you might put adore or cherish or something like that. Just different letters. That is so cute. Let's see. Isn't that precious? I love that. So again, hopefully these will stick. They seem to be hanging in there. Okay, and then up here, I think up here I wanted to kind of do another little collage, just because, well, just because. So I have some printables in here, and I'm pretty sure they're from Artie Mays, but look at that. Perfect. I think I'm going to stick him down. Pretty sure they're from Artie Mays on Etsy, and it's just ARTYMAZE. And if I remember, I will put a link to that below. But she had such cute images, and I printed them out for some of my golden books that I did for Christmas, and I didn't use them all. Isn't that precious? Okay, I'm in love with that. I need a number. Oh, and here's like a ho ho ho. So I need number 3 for this one. Let's see, I really should put these in order. There it is. And let's put some green, add some green to this page. But you know, again, you can just do really simple colors or really simple pages. You just don't have to do a whole lot. You know, you can just do kind of whatever you want to during that day. You know, the highlight of your day, or the highlight of your month, or the highlight of your week. You know, that's kind of what you're focusing on, just the good in your days. Okay, so I want to figure out where to put this one. Ooh, I really like that there. See if I can make it work. I think I can if I kind of trim this off just a touch, like right there. There we go. Let's try that. There we go. Isn't that just precious? And I think I'm going to put that ho 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 right there. I really like that. So let's put this here. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in frame. Oh, I tell you guys. Today's been a pretty good day though, as far as electronics and stuff. You know, all my videos have uploaded, so they must have just been temperamental yesterday Or maybe I was temperamental yesterday. Maybe it wasn't them at all. But, you know, sometimes that's just how things go. Let's see. I kind of want to add just a few more things. So let's look and see what I have in my little box here. Box of goodies. So I do have some special things to share on tomorrow's video because I had a fun gift come through today, so that was kind of fun. Oh, look at that. I could use that like as a belly band. How fun is that? I didn't even think of that. Okay, that's just too cute. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to write on the back, and I'm just going to journal something about my little nephew or my little grandbaby, and then I'm just going to stick it under here. But, you know, I'm just going to put his name and who his parents are and things like that, so in years to come we can kind of come back to it and, you know, have that remembrance. But I don't want to share that with you guys because I know it's too personal, and some things you just shouldn't let out there. So I hope you guys liked this. You know, it was a really fast one. It was a whole lot of fun, and I love how it turned out. I think this is absolutely precious. So I think I'm going to call it good for now. Okay, sorry, I wanted to add something else to this. Because my day 4 is so much larger, so I found these chipboard letters, or these letters. I think I'm going to use these. That way they're not super thick. My book's already getting pretty thick. But I just wanted, I thought this would be kind of cute here. Let's see, see how they stick. If I need to, I can come back and glue them down. But I think they're pretty sticky, so I think they'll be fine. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. And I don't try for lining them up, you know, perfectly, mainly because I know I'm not going to. So I just kind of let them go on there however they go, because, you know, that way they kind of look like it was intended. So if you have like an E that's kind of lopsided, or, you know, things like that, it's just not anything that bothers me. And, you know, if it looks intentional, then people will see it as intentional. Huh. Let's see what that is. That's interesting. I'm not sure. Sorry, I've never really used these stickers, or not that I recall. So I have some that have the frame. That's very interesting. Maybe I'm putting them on wrong. I guess it doesn't really matter. You can do it however you want to. You know, I always say that because there are no rules. Okay, picture with Santa. And these are just some stickers I had in my stash. I couldn't even begin to tell you where I got them from because I have no idea. I was just looking, I'm like, oh, I bet those have all the words, all the letters I need to spell what I want to say. Let's see. Uh-oh, it's me on. They're kind of hard to tell on here. Look at those. Okay, here's an M. Yeah, I have to go back definitely and put a little bit of glue. T. And A. I think that is pretty cute. And then when you open it up, there he is with the picture of Santa. How adorable. So I just wanted to throw that in for you guys. Thanks for watching. So be sure and come back tomorrow for day 4 of the December Daily. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.